Now, we know this Pythagoras theorem we have to use for a right angle triangle. If we want to kind of see if the triangle sides with 6, 8 and 5 centimeters is right angled or not, what you have to do is test this equation, right? So that's the equation you need to test. Something you do know about this A, B and C side is that the C side is always the longest triangle length. So looking at our list of numbers, we got 6, 8 and 5. I don't really care about A and B, but I need to know, well I do know that my longest length is 8 centimeters. Right? That's just a given rule. So the other ones, I don't care if it's which one goes where, so I'm just going to label it. What I need to do is make sure that using the equation, it works out. So I copy the equation, and then I just copy out the symbols. So A was 5, so 5 squared. B is 6. C is 8. All I have to do is just make sure this calculation works or if it doesn't work. So 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. So do these add up? Let's have a look. 25 plus 36 is 61. And my answer does not equal to 64. So that little dash across the equal sign means does not equal. So because these answers are not equal, we know, therefore, triangle is not a right angle triangle. So this is how we figure it out. You just make sure, right, the only thing you have to make sure you do is make sure your C is the longest length out of your listed numbers. So 8, make sure it's the longest one. So try this example, write it down in your book, example 5, and then what you're going to do is try these questions. You don't have to do all of them, right? You're not going to have time to do all of them. Just choose a couple. If you feel like you want to go for the easy ones, obviously do this column. If you want to go for the hard ones, try CF, this column, and then make sure you check the answers. That's it, really.